Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching the 7 p.m. news. I'm Ingi.
And I'm Xuân Mai. We begin tonight with alarming problem,
Global warming.
Dear viewers, in recent years, the world has been facing a series of unusual weather changes, record-breaking heat waves, frequent and intense storms, droughts, floods occurring in many places. Clearly, global warming is no longer a potential, but has become a visible reality.
Warming is the increase in the Earth's average temperature over time, mainly caused by the rising concentration of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide from dense heat shield around the planet, trapping heat that escapes into space. When the shield becomes thicker, more heat is retained, causing temperature to rise steadily and leading to serious climate changes.
Some major causes of global warming can be traced to both natural factors and human activities. Natural influences include changes in solar radiation, where variation in the sun's energy output can alter the Earth's climate system. Volcanic activities also plays a role as eruptions release gas into the atmosphere. Though these emissions represent only a tiny fraction compared to the vast amount of greenhouse gases produced by humans.
However, the most significant driver of global warming today are human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels, industrial productions, deforestation, all of which greatly increase greenhouse gas levels in the atmosphere. For example, coal-fired power plants in many countries release billions of tons of carbon dioxide each year. Another significant contributor is the fast increase in vehicle use. Millions of cars, trucks, and motorbikes release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other pollutants, especially in densely populated cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh cities.
Around the world, global warming is reshaping the environment at an alarming rate, and its impact on human health is becoming increasingly evident. Rising temperatures are fueling stronger floods, longer droughts, and more intense storms, leaving thousands of families displaced and communities struggling to recover. In recent years, unusually heavy rainfall has triggered flooding in many areas, destroying infrastructure. Besides, public health agencies warn that these flood waters often carry dangerous bacteria and chemicals, heightening the risk of diarrhea, skin infections, and deadly waterborne diseases. For example, central Vietnam has also been severely affected by storms. The historic floods of 2020 left provinces such as Quảng Trị and Thừa Thiên Huế submerged for days, causing widespread destruction.
At the same time, extreme heat waves are striking more frequently and lasting longer than ever before. The northern of Vietnam are witnessing record-breaking heat waves. Temperatures in Hanoi and surrounding provinces have repeatedly exceeded 40 degrees Celsius during summer months. It raised risk of forest fire, water shortage. Governments and health authorities are urging communities to improve emergency preparedness, strengthen early warning systems, and develop long-term strategies to withstand a future shaped by more violent storms and increasingly dangerous temperatures.
Global warming is becoming an increasingly urgent threat to the entire planet. Scientists report that average global temperatures are steadily rising, leading to more frequent extreme weather events, including powerful storms and prolonged heat waves. These conditions are already disrupting communities, damaging infrastructure, and putting millions of people at risk.
It's part one that if effective solutions are not implemented soon, the impacts of global warming will continue to worsen, making them far more difficult and costly to address in the future. This has been the latest news update.
We appreciate your time and wish you a good day.